are watching CIOTV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Infomedia.
Hello and welcome to CIOTV and Enterprise IT World. This is GITEX 2025 Day 1. We have been meeting and discussing with the senior leadership of various organizations to understand their strategy this year in GITEX and what they are showcasing. And I have one of my old friends, Sujoy Banerjee. He is from ManageEngine. He heads the company in the region as a regional director for the entire region, Middle East and Africa. Sujay, thank you very much for taking time.
Pleasure, Sanjay.
Absolutely, Sujay. Pleasure is also mine. How ManageEngine is, joining GITEX year over year, and 2025 is not exception. What IT management innovations or regional partnerships are you unveiling to support digital transformation across Middle East region?
Sure. First of all, thanks for having me. It's always pleasure talking to you, Sanjay. And see, always ManageEngine, the regional events and this particular region, Middle East and UAE, to be very particular, is very, very important for not only for the business perspective, but also the relationship we built over the years, over the decade, right? So it's always an important place, and GITEX being a 19th year this year we are participating, it's always a very, very important event for us. It's not just to showcase what we have inside the product, new things, but also to meet our regular customers, partners, and kind of a platform to talk to them and to find out like what they are doing, what they are expecting in future from us, and also to let them know what we are doing, because end of the day, as a cultural thing for ManageEngine is always we listen the customers, we listen their issues, problems, and we try to resolve through our products. So yeah, I mean, overall the requirement for this event for us, it's huge, and we are happy to be here.
Excellent, Sujay. Sujay, the market has evolved a lot. Particularly for last 5 years, the growth in the market from the technology standpoint has changed a lot. People or the organizations have given that freedom of hybrid work. Cloud has come in as well. Multi-cloud adoption has already accelerated. How is managing as a company supporting the CIOs, consolidate all this visibility? You have got network visibility,
Right.
You need to have endpoint visibility, you need to have applications visibility, and your work is there day in day out. You have been doing it,
Definitely.
but how do you do it?
Okay, so let's start with the ManageEngine. I mean, we know by now that ManageEngine is a brand for almost everything an IT need for an organization, right? And we are proud to say that we cater all segments. We cater SMBs, we cater big enterprises, we cater government, we cater the private enterprises. So for us now, the roadmap or what we are exactly doing is we have 60 plus products. We have products for, as you mentioned rightly, we have products for monitoring, we have product for service management, we have product for security, we have product for endpoint detection, I mean security and management, right? So the current approach for ManageEngine for this region, of course, because this region is not just use the product, they also evolve with the product, evolve with the technology. So for us, it is a more like now an IT, integrated IT management part which we are trying to bring in the market for our customers, which also include monitoring, which include service management, which include security. So the overall idea for the CIOs to have a common dashboard to bring all their requirement on a same console and to see like how they can be proactively see what is coming in, what are the anomalies, what are the kind of detection they can do, which is more like a automation way, and also to protect themselves or their organizations. So these are the things which we are trying to bring to a notice of a CIO or any such organization through our product. So we are trying to have a more integrated IT management platform with all this product or all this technology what we have in ManageEngine.
So the AI is there in a big way, everywhere in B2B particularly. Into this manageability, AI has played a big role, AI and automation, uh, particularly into IT operation and management, whether it is predicting outage or automating remediation or improving service delivery. How as a company you have deployed or utilized AI to do so for the customers?
Okay, great question. So for AI, I will reply in a different way. Okay, AI is a buzzword for last 5 years. I'm sure it is not going to die. It is going to be forever now. But as a company, we have started working on the AI or AI kind of thing for the last 13, 14 years. We have our internal lab, we have our internal development center inside the company as a whole, as a Zoho Corporation, and of course ManageEngine, where we try to embed all these AI functionalities, whatever is coming in the market as a trend, or even for the customer requirement, inside all these products. So basically, it's not like we are selling a product on the AI perspective, but also we are selling a product with AI. So no charges at all extra, no kind of requirement. We are just trying to embed whatever the requirement or whatever the trending AI is in our product. Now all this product, let it be for monitoring, let it be for service management, let it be for security, we have the features which is with the trending AI things which is in the market for ManageEngine. And similarly, we are also trying to connect with many customers, or trying to connect with many SIs or system integrators, partners, resellers, to understand what is their the kind of requirement which they see in the market. And then we are trying to rework on those technologies. So basically, we are trying to work together with the entire ecosystem to work all these required AIs in our product.
Now, regulatory compliances are becoming more stringent. Every regulatory body in every country is bringing out something or other in order to create a proper check and balance, and GCC market is no exception. How does managing support enterprises in achieving continuous compliance and robust identity and governance?
So this is the one of the important thing which always, I mean, for us is always a priority. So when your first question, like how we are going to talk in a regional base, right? So any region for that matter, let it be in GCC as a whole, or let it be in UAE, for example, the compliance like desk, or even for Saudi, the compliance like NCA. So all these things we take it very seriously. On that matter, we try to have a kind of a platform where we work on the framework of those compliances, let it be desk or NCA and all, where we'll have this, I would say the kind of automation on the audit process, or the kind of a common dashboard where we can see the compliances all together. So these are always a very prioritized action, I would say, for the ManageEngine. And these are not something we are doing separately. So when we talk about these things, it is always there with the products, and we are trying to enable our customers on those lines so that they can use our product in their local environment.
All right, ManageEngine has been trying to evolve its platform every year.
Yeah.
How it is evolving the platform to help the IT team deliver more personalized, secure, and efficient kind of digital experience for employees and the customer of an organization?
So two things. One thing, as I mentioned before, ManageEngine, now the target is, or objective is, to integrate all the products, all this as a common platform. So we are now more concentrating on IT management platform, including the operations, service management, securities, endpoint management and security. So we are bringing together as a common platform. So that is one thing where we are selling ManageEngine as a solution, not as a standalone product. And on the other hand, we are also trying to train the workforce, because that's also important. We're like, bringing our product is easy, but who will use the product, right? So we are also trying to enable our customers to train the workforce, not only for customers, even for our partners, to take the message in the society, to take the message in the ecosystem, so that they can understand what we are trying to do in our brand under ManageEngine, right? So these are the things we are concentrating more moving forward. I mean, right now we are doing, but it will be more and more in the upcoming future.
All right, Sujay, thank you very much for coming in and speaking to our audience
It's
on the entire operation.
always pleasure talking to you, Sanjay.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you.